Railway on high alert amid sabotage concerns. Union Railway Minister assures strict action. NIA, Police and Railways join forces. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has reaffirmed the government's commitment to ensuring railway safety amid increasing concerns of sabotage. During a recent visit to Jaipur, the minister addressed the issue, highlighting the railway administration's high alert status and its ongoing collaboration with state governments and police authorities. Vaishnav also revealed that the National Investigation Agency is actively involved in investigating these incidents, ensuring the public that strict action will be taken against those responsible.
रेलवे की सुरक्षा के लिए कवच एक बहुत ही बड़ा डेवलपमेंट है। इस पे पिछले कई वर्षों से बहुत अच्छा प्रयास चल रहा था। तो 16 जुलाई 2024 को कवच का 4.0 वर्जन यानी वर्जन 4.0 जैसे डेवलपमेंट होता है तो नए वर्जन आते हैं। तो कवच का वर्जन 4.2 फाइनल हुआ था, रिलीज हुआ था, अप्रूव हुआ था, RDSO की तरफ से अप्रूवल हुआ था। उसका पहला इंस्टॉलेशन सवाई माधोपुर से कोटा आगे नागदा तक वो कंप्लीट हुआ है।
3 railway employees arrested for track tampering. This statement comes in the light of a shocking case in Gujarat's Surat district, where 3 railway employees were arrested for allegedly tampering with tracks and then reporting the issue in a failed attempt to take credit for preventing an accident. The arrests have raised alarms about internal threats to railway safety, prompting immediate government response. Kavach system, new defense line. Government vows no compromise on rail safety. While in Jaipur, Vaishnav inspected the Kavach automatic train protection system designed to prevent collision by automatically applying brakes during emergencies. The minister emphasized that the central government views rail sabotage as a serious threat and remains focused on preventing such incidents through advanced technologies like Kavach and closer coordination with law enforcement.
गंभीरता के साथ रेलवे का पूरा प्रशासन पूरी तरह से सतर्क है। सभी राज्य सरकारों के साथ लगातार संवाद है, स्टेट के DGPs के साथ, पोस्ट मिनिस्ट्रीज के साथ, NIA भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है। और किसी भी तरीके से किसी को भी जो भी कोई ऐसी दुर्घटना कराने की कोशिश करेगा उसके विरुद्ध कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। ये हमारा संकल्प है और साथ ही साथ पूरा रेलवे प्रशासन इसमें पूरी तरह से सतर्क है।
Strict action promised by the centre. In addition to the inspection, the union minister also interacted with BJP workers and met with Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma during his visit. As rail safety becomes a critical focus for the nation, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav's reassurances highlight the government's dedication to protecting passengers and maintaining the integrity of India's railway system. The central government's message is clear. Those involved in sabotage will face strict consequences, ensuring that the nation's railways remains safe and secure for all. News Desk reports such the reality.